Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, March 12th, 2026. You're in the live trading room, of course. Hope you all had a lovely evening. We had a rough day yesterday. Ended up taking a few more trades, ended up making 8 trades yesterday, and did get out for plus 27 yesterday. Wasn't much for a lot of work, but anyway, just came out positive. So, um, just really yesterday was just really kind of a schizophrenic market. It doesn't really reflect it here in the charts as much as it was yesterday, with things just moving back and forth, like so. But anyway, was what it was. Um, Q closed at 607.63, and looks like we have a gap play.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. We certainly do. So let's call the gap fill and trigger down here at 605.03. Write that down. 605.03. Fill and trigger. Okay, let's move up to real time. And currently sitting at 603.14 is the price of QQQ, the underlying. Let's head over to the option chain. And again, we're way over a million in pre-market volume, 1.613 million in pre-market volume. And again, the strikes are a little out of balance right now, so we won't quote those until we get into the session and we get this pre-market volume figured into the strike pricing. Then we'll know what we've got to work with. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and toss it over to Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, only had three trades yesterday, but up 51 cents for me yesterday, so reasonable day.
Nice.
Um, Let me see here. We had building permits came out this morning, a little bit less than anticipated. The continuous job claims came out as anticipated. Good trade services balance came in a little better than anticipated. And housing starts came in a little bit better than anticipated. Initial jobless claims just had less than anticipated. 4-week average was down a little bit. We will have a Fed member speaking at 11 today. No 10 o'clock announcements, so may or may not be a pop. We'll have a 4-week bond auction at 11:30 and a 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today. And at 2 o'clock this afternoon, if you're trading, there's a monthly budget statement comes out at 2 o'clock today. Big numbers will be the core personal consumption expenditures out tomorrow morning at 8:30, along with GDP preliminary numbers for the fourth quarter also at 8:30 tomorrow. Um, I'll be trading today's expiration along with Tim. So that's about all I have here today.
Okay, very good. Appreciate the morning report.
Yep.
All right, what else we got? We got about 30 seconds, and as usual, I'll remind you to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks next to each of your charts. And so we're looking at the same size candles every day. Coming up on 15 seconds, there it is. Move that over there. There's 10 seconds. All right, everybody, stand by. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. There's the bell. We are in. All right, climbed in the beginning of that minute. We have our VWAPs are out of agreement right now. Price not moving a whole lot, staying pretty close to the opening.
Talking about schizophrenic, Tim, yesterday it was about 77 degrees here today, and there's a chance of possible snow flurries today.
Oh
Or,
my
yeah,
God.
77 yesterday's possible snow flurries this afternoon.
Wow. Now that is schizophrenic weather.
Oh, we had some nasty weather come through last night with this front coming through.
Really?
Yeah, they had tornado warnings and everything.
Oh, geez. Um, we got a little rain, but that's about it down here. Yikes. Just when you thought winter was over.
Yep, yep.
We got price declining here pretty good, but maybe turning around.
Tim, I gotta go track my cat down and give him some meds, so I'll be back here as soon as I can find him.
Okay. Good luck. That price coming back up. Got great volume already up to 3 million. Let's look at the option chain. Probably be at the 600 on the call side and 605 on the put side. You, of course, can be at the money wherever you're comfortable for your portfolio size is fine. Don't have to start way up there. Price trying to climb. Price knocking on the door of VWAP. There it goes. Popping through VWAP. Breaking out on the top side. I'll keep an eye on the 601. I'll keep an eye on that. May not be ready for a full-fledged breakout here, but we're going to keep our eye on the strike anyway.
All right, success.
Oh, very good.
Do you put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle?
I actually have not, but I'm doing it now. I've been keeping an eye on a possible call here.
What strike are you looking at?
Looking at the 601, but it's just not taken off yet. Still keeping an eye on the 601 on the call side in case this breaks out.
Well, the Dow's down strong at 567. Nasdaq's down 177. S&P's down 55.
Wow.
4.5 million underlying traded so far.
Yeah. Doesn't look like this call trade wants to take off, so and our 5 minute MACD has crossed to the call side. All right, stand by on this 601. Yeah, just can't quite get feet under it.
He keeps trying, but just didn't quite get there.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in on this.
All right, 601, stand by.
Didn't want to fill. In at 422.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. And in at 417. One at 9:30.
I got stopped out.
Okay. What is your stop set at, Keith?
I have it set at 30 cents right now.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
close to dojo on that last candle.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to get out of this.
Yeah, I'm trying to set the stop loss a little, or trailing stop a little bit closer.
Mm-hmm.
I knowing I'm going to get stopped out more, but at much lower rates, and I can certainly tolerate more of those.
Yeah.
And if it takes off, I'm going to take full advantage of it.
Okay. I got out of that at 398, by the way. That call just wouldn't get its feet under it.
No, trying to get a crossover on the 1 minute MACD going back down as well as the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking
Right.
at the 605 on the put
Yeah.
side.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. 605. Stand by on the 605. All right,
Bad
I'm going to
trade.
enter this. Yep. In at 371.
I'm gonna go here. I couldn't get filled. Let's try again here. 372.
Okay. All right, stand by to take some profit on this. I'm going to go ahead and take profit on this. Out at four. What am I out at? 423. 371 to 423. I'm going to go back to the 604 on the put side. I'm going to enter this 604 in at 398.
I just took profit on that, 482, got $1.10 on it.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at, let's go and take profit 435, 398 to 435. All right. Good trades. And it's still dropping.
Yeah,
We can put a supply zone up on top. It's pretty ugly, but
I've seen worse.
yeah, true.
Hmm. How much did you get on that second trade, Tim?
Let's see, 98 to 35, so 37.
Great, great.
Price rebounding back up a bit. Got the Dow's down by 548, Nas down by 253, S&P down by 65. I'm going to go over to the 600 on the call side, 600 strike call.
Look at the size of the bottom wick on that last 5 minute candle.
Yeah, yeah. The price coming down again.
Trying to turn around again, huh?
Yeah.
Turn my back on it 1 second.
Yeah. So let's see. I'm going to keep an eye on the 603 on the put side. Stand by on the 603 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 603 and I'm in at 4.
Pass me by. Hmm. 404.
Okay. All right. Stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit here and out at 444.
And I'm out at 450.
All right.
And we've got 3 minutes to the pop if there's going to be one, and there's a doji on the last candle.
Mhm. So I got 4 trades up 114.
Got three. up 123.
All right. Looks like we might be going into some consolidation now. Dow is down 621, NASDAQ down 332, S&P down 80. We've fallen below $600 on QQQ, the underlying asset. Got 10,638,000 traded on the underlying.
And we've got uh, just about 30 seconds till a pop here if there's going to be one.
Okay. 1 minute MACD is curling up.
And the crossover going up, and we're in the pop.
Here we are. Look at it go. Wow. It's quite a pop.
Yeah.
A lot of volume on that. Pretty big reversal we're getting. With the markets down as far as they are, not so much interested in a call trade. Price still climbing, heading up toward VWAP. Turned around just shy of VWAP.
You could put a true demand zone in there now.
Yeah. Yeah. And keep an eye on the 603 on the put side.
Well, weather update, it is snowing out right now.
Oh, you're kidding. Oh my gosh.
Big wet flakes.
Wow. Hmm.
Yes, what you need.
Keith, I just saw your post in Facebook.
Oh. Yeah, tough day yesterday.
Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy.
It's amazing how 5 years flies by.
Yeah, I bet. A lot of great responses. That's a great picture.
She was helping a lady friend out. They were doing a fundraiser for getting donations on pajamas at a Chick-fil-A.
Oh.
And so this particular book, she asked Anne to come in and dressed in pajamas and read to the kids.
Oh.
And she loved doing that.
Oh, that's nice. Now, prices just kind of moved into a consolidation pattern here, going back and forth a little bit. We'll wait for another breakout. Dow is down by 480, NASDAQ down by 276, S&P down by 61. Price managed to move back above 600 at 13,650,000 traded on the underlying. Price trying to break out on the top end here. Price is knocking on the door of VWAP, but reversing.
Another good example why we wait for it to cross the VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Okay, folks, I'll be right back.
There he is.
Okay, I'm back. Yeah. Price is declining a bit.
1 minute, MACD's crossed back over going down.
Excuse me. See if price is going to bounce off of the demand zone here. It's just going to crunch right through it. It's going to bounce off. Okay. Price trying to climb. Comes back down again for another try.
I just realized I've been muted. I am sorry. I got into that put for 360 and out for $4.
Oh,
Sorry about that. It was the 603 put.
mm-hmm. Like we're getting into some more consolidation here near the demand zone.
Tim, I put a couple intermediate zones in here also that they've been really finding some support and resistance. One at
Mm-hmm.
the 10:05 candle and one
Mm-hmm.
at the on the top side, one at the 10:10 candle.
Yeah, I see him.
Really found some support and consolidation on those intermediate on those consolidation zones there. Yes. Oh, you noticed that too?
You got some help there today?
Yeah, I've been having three of them. One of them's asleep on the couch behind me, and Natty, the black one, just came in and talked. And Gilbert, who was supposed to be in getting his teeth cleaned today, but he's got a respiratory problem, so I had to bring him home and
Oh
give
dear.
him some antibiotics for a couple weeks before he can go back in. He's been through too.
So price after a double bottom, looks like it's breaking through the demand zone.
You're referring to the double bottom on the demand zone in there?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. One at 1021 and
Yep.
1023. as I'm gonna keep an eye on the 602 on the put side. Dow's down by 632, Nas down by 324, S&P down by 76. Definitely down market on the broader indices. Stand by on this 602. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 602 in at 399. I'm going to jump out of this one, guys. At 410, 399 to 410.
Yeah, I think that's wise. Really finding some support there.
Yeah, I don't like the way this is moving. Yeah, it's going to break through. Well, okay.
We're a little more than an hour into the market here. Dow is down 680, Nasdaq's down 368, S&P's down 86, and 18.3 million underlying traded.
All right. Well, if you stayed in that put, you're doing real well. I guess I'll be right back.
The 1 minute MACD trying to cross going back up.
Okay. Get another breakout down.
Yeah, trying.
A bit of a reversal going on now.
Yeah, 1 minute MACD trying to cross over going. Actually, it has crossed over going back up.
Yeah.
But as Tim said earlier, I'm not looking for a call given how red things are right now.
Yeah. Thus the market makers want to reverse the whole market and
Yeah,
start up.
just waiting for some suckers to get in there and
Yep.
Thanks, Mr. Gilbert. This is Mr. Gilbert.
Let's see.
We can probably move the demand zone down.
Yeah,
'Hey, Tim, your charts have been on time here for the last week and a half or so now.
yeah, yep,
Excellent.
yep. I think we got whatever it was fixed.
Good.
But our MACDs are out of agreement right now. Probably won't stay that way for very long.
Well, in some respects, they're in agreement. They're both very low in the range.
Yeah,
Just the active line below the control line on the 5 minute, but above it on the 1 minute. We'll be back in a minute, Tim.
sure. Pretty much back in a, well, consolidation pattern here around this area.
No, pretty good out there right now.
Is it?
The ground's so warm, so nothing's going to be sticking, but
But still coming down pretty good, huh?
yeah, it's not quite white out, but darn near.
Hmm. That's amazing. We're supposed to get up to a nice 70 degrees today, which will be nice. And get out and hike at the river.
I think I'll cancel my golf outing.
Yeah, I think so. Wow. Price has jumped all the way up to VWAP in this minute. That's a long candle.
Yeah,
Price
that's a
for
bit.
one.
Market maker managers are saying, "Hey guys, hey, it's time to start selling now.
Yeah,
You've been buying enough."
exactly.
We've had good volume candles on each of the minutes. Only one of them, it looks like it 1026 was slightly less than 100,000.
Yeah,
22.2 million underlying traded so far.
good volume. Wow, right back down.
Hmm. Just a reminder that one Fed member is going to be speaking at 10 or 11 o'clock in 10 minutes or so.
Hmm. Okay. Dow's still down 603, Nas down 364, S&P down 80. Price on the rise here slightly. Second, maybe in some more consolidation here. It's 840. Price slowly rising. Well, today we've had pretty good price movement. Actually, we've had great price movement on good volume today. Up to 24,258,000. Okay, folks, we're at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and close out this session. Had a great morning. Six trades up 167 this morning, and I believe Keith has beat me this morning.
Actually, no. I have four trades up 163.
Oh,
So
okay.
beat me by 4 cents.
4 cents. Okay, I'll split it with you. Okay, folks. That's going to be it for today. Hope you all had a great morning, and we will see you all tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Tim. Thanks,
Thank you.
everybody. See you tomorrow.
Thanks, Keith. Bye, folks.